Let's feed the chickens. Teddy, sit down. Oh. Hi, lady. There's a lot of work to do. I know. But we're getting there slowly. We're the only ones that work here. Hi. Hi. Yeah. You like it, huh? It's your protein? It's good for you, huh? With this weather, it's really necessary for the chickens so they keep warm during the winter. It was raining last night here, but it feels good. It's just gonna get a little bit more windy, and that's gonna be really cold. We just give them a cup a day because through those little holes up there is a rat. And she comes and steals the food from the chickens. My husband already saw the rat like 3 times, and he doesn't like it either. So we're doing this. They didn't like the pumpkin, by the way. So I guess there's no more pumpkin for you girls, huh? Hi, Teddy. Teddy's always protecting the chickens. He's always coming at night and checking on them. Barks a lot too, so they keep away. She is younger. So hi, sweetie. And there he goes. all that other land, it's also ours, but we haven't really touched it yet. It's uneven, and well, you know, there's a lot of work there for sure, like a lot of it. It's like another acre and a half. It is gated, but it's just not touched. He thinks we're going over there. No, we're not. Oh, okay. So it's just divided. There is actually snow now in the mountains, so that's gorgeous, right? Oh, it's windy.